Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Friday. Now, the local sporting fraternity was thrown into mourning Friday afternoon following the shooting death of acting vice principal of GC Foster College, Gibbs Williams. Spencer Darlington tells us more.
The local and regional cricketing fraternity, as well as the GC Foster College family, were plunged into a state of shock and mourning just after midday on Friday when Gibbs Williams was killed at the Portmore Hospital complex. According to police reports, Williams had gone to the facility for a medical appointment. He was heading towards his vehicle that was parked on the compound when explosions were heard, and it was discovered that he had what appeared to be a gunshot wound to his chest. He was rushed to the Spanish Town Hospital where he was pronounced dead.
Our senior investigators have already started the investigation. The scene was already processed. We are following some strong leads. As it is now, we have totally ruled out robbery as the motive, but we are following some strong leads.
Williams served in several capacities in local and regional cricket, and most recently served as manager of the West Indies under-19 team on their tour of Sri Lanka. Upon the team's return, Williams was impressed with Woolmer's standout Jordan Johnson's prospect for the future after scoring 3 centuries on Sri Lankan soil.
We knew that he's one who should do well if he continues on the straight and narrow path. We are not saying that he's a savior for West Indies cricket, but certainly he should add to the impetus as it relates to rebuilding or contributing to the rebuilding of West Indies cricket. I'm very happy also that he has been awarded a high performance contract, and so he'll be going after the high performance contract to further his development and to continue the progress that he has made.
Vice Principal for Administration at GC Foster College, Paul Beckford, reacted to Williams' passing.
Well, it has been a very, very sad moment here at the college. I mean, we have lost a very, very important person, in the management structure of the college. Mr. Gibbs Williams, has been the Vice Principal for Academic Affairs, and he's one that many students, could have, identified themselves with in terms of a disciplinarian, someone who seeks to help them along the way, and today the college is suffering a whole lot.
Head coach for the West Indies under-19 team, Rohan Nurse, described Williams as a dedicated individual who went beyond the call of duty.
Just this year at the regional under-19 tournament, I spent quite a bit of time with Gibbo, and when Gibbo was named the manager of the under-19 team to Sri Lanka, it felt like destiny. And on that tour, which was arguably the best tour that I have ever been involved in as a player, as a coach, a lot of that was down to Gibbo and his way with people, his ability to always bring laughter to any situation, his ability to bring people together as one, the respect that he commanded from everybody just with his demeanor.
West Indies Test coach Andre Coley says Williams played important roles in the development of scores of Jamaican cricketers.
He's had such an impact on a wide cross-section of Jamaican society. Youths, male, female, his work at GC Foster over the years, where he has come up through the ranks to the position of vice principal. He would speak so proudly of that achievement and how he enjoyed, his work there, working with the staff. So my condolences goes out to everyone, his family, everyone who has interacted with him.
National player Dennis Bulai found it difficult to accept the reality that someone so close is gone.
I saw a picture saying RIP to Gibbo, and when I saw it, felt chills. Gibbo is a very good person, a very good cricketer as well, not just a person, a teacher, a principal, an individual, a trainer. The cricket fraternity has lost a big one.
Williams was known to be a lifelong servant for the development of cricket, and the JDF's coach Martin Walcott had several interactions with him.
When I just heard about the news, it has saddened, it has taken away a zest out of me. Gibb Williams has been a person that I know personally, and he has been a great inspiration to young cricketers in Jamaica, and he has been doing a good job thus far, and I must have condolence to his family and friends and loved ones and for me and the JDF cricket fraternity, we are grieving, we are mourning his death, and it just showed that crime in Jamaica is just a thing that we just cannot get rid of.
Former JCA Director Dr. Akshay Mansingh said he was shocked upon hearing the news.
He had worked with all age groups of Jamaica cricket, but showed testimony to the fact that he was able to adapt to any situation. He was also the Vice Principal of G.C. Foster School for Physical Education, speaking to his academic prowess as well. He will be sadly missed.
The 55-year-old Williams, who is a past student of G.C. Foster College, had been at the institution for 23 years and was acting vice principal for academics for the past 3 years. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.
All right, let's take a